What's going on, guys? Welcome to Blender Masterclass. Today I will show you how to do this scene right here. How to make a mirror. Yes, that's right. It's actually pretty simple, but we'll have to be in cycles. So first of all, let's start a new project. Don't save. Okay. Let's go down here, say start. Okay. So let's just keep this one. Yes, we're actually keeping the default cube. Yay! So we are clicking Shift A, then plane. Just pull it out. Rotate it how you want. Okay, there we go. Then we click Tab, add in loop cuts. One up there. One down there. One there. And one there. Great. Then let's click 3. No, sorry. 2. And click X and say limited dissolve. Over here, limited dissolve. If it doesn't delete, it doesn't delete. Just leave it then. Limited dissolve. Limited dissolve. Oops. See, that one we are not doing. Here, limited dissolve. Limited dissolve. We're not doing that one either. Limited dissolve. Limited dissolve. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. That should. Oh well. Okay, that one worked. That one do not delete. That one do not delete. Okay, that's fair enough. So click number 3. Let's extrude these out. There we go. That's the frame. So we go into this one here, and let's make this the first one. Let's just make it dark real quick. Here we go. Assign. Create a new one, which is this one. New. And click assign. Great. Here we go. That's the first part. Yeah. Then we just zoom it a little bit down here. Let's go into shading. Yay. Click the right one. This one here. Turn the metallic up. Turn the roughness down. And you got a mirror. But why is nothing happening? Oh, well, it's because we are on Eve. We have to click on Eve and turn it on to cycles. Render. Now you see what's happening here. But now we have to give this some color real quick too. And the light is in the way. So here we go. Now we got a mirror. So let's just give this a quick color. Let's give it blue. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make a little world real quick here. Mesh plane. Yes, here we go. Tab 2 here. Up. And let's put it to the wall. And let's drag these two over here. Let's make this to a sun. So let's click down here on the little ball thing. Sun. Here. And click 1. That should be more than enough. Let's make the world a new color as well. Let's just give it a color like this. That's fine. That's fine. But maybe we need to give the sun like a 2. Or a 3. Yeah. Whatever desires you. It depends on what you want. Great. And here we go. Now you actually have a mirror in your project. I was about to say in your room. Not exactly. Here. But here it is, guys. That's how you basically make a mirror. It only works in cycles, apparently. Because I've been trying to do exactly the same method in and Eve did not work, so I don't know what's wrong with that. But it works in cycles, so that should be good enough. It looked like a portal here, right? Cool. Yeah, so I hope this tutorial is useful for you. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, until next time.